Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I clean and marinate pork ribs. I've already cut and trimmed the fat off of the meat. You'll need salt, vinegar, lemon, and lime. In a container, add the meat, squeeze the juice of the lemon and lime, pour salt as well as vinegar. Use the lemon or the lime to scrub each piece of meat. Let this sit in the citrus mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes, then add the meat to hot boiling water. Let the meat sit in the hot water for about 10 minutes, drain and rinse, and then you can proceed to add your seasonings. The seasonings I'll be using is onion and garlic powder, 2 chili peppers, red pepper flakes, half a package chicken bouillon powder, salt, paprika, ground clove, parsley flakes, as well as thyme. You will also need the juice of 1 lime. Add the meat to the pot, followed by the seasoning mix, as well as the juice of 1 lime. Add 2 serving spoons of the Epis. Mix until every piece of meat is covered with your seasonings. You can let this meat marinate for 4 hours, or it's even better if you leave it marinating overnight. In the next video, I'll show you how I transfer this into barbecue ribs. Stay tuned.